Good afternoon, fellow traders. How are we doing this afternoon? It is Wednesday, November the 22nd, day before Thanksgiving, and as you can see, we had a very good day today. 12 out of 16 accounts are in profit, and I'm very, very, very happy about that. Namely, my PA account, I was up $102 on that. I was up over 200 and gave $100 back on the last trade and decided to quit. So try not to be too greedy. I was also up on, I was trading these three accounts together on copy trade and gave some money back. Actually, had them down to like negative 300 and worked them back up to almost profit. GAT did stop me out on this one. I think I either hit, I'm not sure what happened, but basically I was not allowed to continue to trade that. But yeah, overall, really good day. Had a couple of trades on these three accounts that I was copy trading together that a little bit unfortunate, and also just I made a mistake, which I'll talk about in a minute, but those got stopped out for $500 losses, and that's my GAT setting that stops me out. So, but yeah, very, very happy with how today went. I want to talk about this ATM strategy that I've been using, that I used today, I should say. I haven't been using it. Let me rephrase that. I've been using this 3-contract scalp, as I call it. It's kind of a scalp, kind of a runner, but I made some changes to the stop strategy. I wish I could make this bigger. I can't. So the first target, I've got all of these set at an 18 tick stop loss. The first profit target is at 7 ticks. No stop strategy. The second target is at 15 ticks with what I call an 8-2 stop. So what that means is once we get to 8 ticks, which is 1 tick after the first profit target, the second stop goes to plus 2 ticks. That way, if it comes back, I'm at 9 ticks on the first two first two targets. If I hit my second target at 15 ticks, then we have a 20 tick trail stop. So basically at 21 ticks, this starts trailing up to the 60 tick full profit. The beauty of this is if I hit my first two profit targets, I can't lose no matter if I get stopped out on this third one. So, in fact, I had it happen once or twice today, and I think I was like $10 in profit. So it's basically a break-even trade. So the awesome thing is if I can just manage my entries well and get into a trade where I hit profit target 1 and target 2, I'm set. And as soon as we hit 21 ticks, it's a winner all the way. No matter if I reach my full 60 or if I get stopped out on the trailing stop, I'm still ahead of the game. And it worked extremely well for me today. I did trade the open, which is something I typically don't do. This was right after the 9:30. 9:30 we opened up, and we were on a tear, squeezing up majorly. But I caught a nice move here. I was trading my 150K, which that account we were in profit today, $530. That was the best account. Probably traded it more than any of the other ones. And then I really should have just jumped right in, but the morning volatility, I was like, I had a good winner, I'll just wait. And then I jumped in here at the top, which here was a chase trade that I was lucky on, but managed to capitalize there. And then I just rode this wave back down and just ding, 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 profits all the way down. And again, this 3-contract scalp, as I call it, is what worked. The yellow circle, if you're new to my channel here, the yellow circle is the trades that I'm taking on my PA account. So here I had a winner, and a little bit of a loser. On this, I think this one here, I just hit the first target, got stopped out on the 2 tick on the second target, and then it hit my stop loss on the third. So that ended up being, I think, like a net $43 loss. So not a bad loser. Here, another PA trade, pretty much a wash there. This is one I wanted to talk about. This is one of the trades on these 3 losing accounts today. We were coming off this top and kind of rolling over right along this 21 EMA, which is where I really like to trade. And this is one I can't fault myself for it. I took this entry thinking we were going to go short. Obviously, red arrow down means short trade. And this thing decided to come back and stop me out and then hit this high point at 16,077 or something like that. And then we tanked. So I really had that correct. But this is one of the trades where if you're in 3 contracts deep and it goes against you, you're down about $300. So that was one of the negatives from this account. And then I lost that account right here. This was really, or I shouldn't say lost that account. I got stopped out on that account right here. I was really dumb in this area. I took an entry way here at the bottom. Again, chasing. If you're following what I do, this is where I get in trouble, and I got in trouble here. So we were just continuing to drop. We had these long wicks on these doji candles here, and I should have paid attention to that we might go back up, and I didn't really. I saw them, but they were kind of in my subconscious because I was too focused on what was happening immediately, which is a mistake. Better off to look at big trends and look at indications, some levels, support, resistance, whatever. But I got into this trade here, and we started pulling back, and so I entered again short, which is why there's a second arrow. Well, I ended up losing on the entire trade, and that's really what put these accounts in a bad situation. So, but it is what it is. Live and learn. Again, here, yellow circle. This is another PA trade, so that was great. And then just throughout the day, I really just traded well today. As bad as yesterday was, today was so much better. I actually ended the day on the PA account. Winner, small winner. This one here, I really should have left run. I was too chicken to give away profits, and we were just kind of stagnating here. The price action was really, really slow, and I'm like, close it out. I'm just not. Let me just blow this up so we can see it better. I was just like, I'm not going to risk it, close it out, and I should have just left it go. I wasn't close to my stop, and I would have had probably a $200 winner there. So that was a bit of a mistake, even though this was a small win. It could have been a really big win, and maybe I could have gotten myself up to a $300 profit here instead of $100. Another nice winner here, and then here I took a short, which was kind of dumb. We were kind of rolling off, but at this point in the day, things were really starting to slow back down. I mean, this was at 10 till 4, quarter till 4. And this started going against me, and I manually just closed this out. I was not going to get stopped out. My stop would have been all the way up here, and I just closed it out, said I'm not doing it. And that's how we ended up at $100 profit. But hey, the key is we were profitable on the day on evals and the PA account, and the main thing, obviously, we were profitable with the PA, which is awesome. So we're at negative $300. Let's look at Trade Metria here. Yep, here we go. So this is the PA account. Couple green day, or 4 green days, 5 green days, and a couple red days. Let's look at the dashboard. Kind of see how this has been trending. So we're down $343 on this account. So we started when we opened this PA account, we were in profit, and we had a couple losing days, back in profit for 3 days, had a break-even day, and then a loser, and then back to a winner again. So hopefully we can pull this back out and continue marching forward, and hopefully getting at a $200 profit per day. So again, I'm using this new Trade Metria. I love it. I can have up to 50 accounts, which I like. So I can put all my accounts in here, and it shows me exactly where I'm at. Had this kind of rough day here on the 21st, which was yesterday. That was our worst day in quite a while. But I can see all the balances of all my accounts. I've got several evals here on day 3, I believe, and we're up a couple $100, $150, so we're moving in the right direction. None of the accounts are really in bad shape. I was really happy to get this 150K back out of the doldrums it was in. It was like 148.6 or something like that this morning, so we got some life breathed into that, and then hopefully next week we can get these accounts moving in the right direction. So if you're interested in Trade Metria, there is a link in the description below that'll take you there. On the sale, Apex is running this awesome 90% off sale. I think I'm probably going to be adding a few more accounts. This sale ends on Tuesday. I will not have another update probably until Tuesday. I'm going to be out for the holidays. Got a lot of things going on with family. So I'll be out. I don't think I'll be doing any trading until probably Tuesday. But if you're looking for evals, please use my code or use somebody's code and take advantage of that 90% off sale. So happy Thanksgiving. Have a great weekend. If you're trading, good luck, and I will catch up with you guys on Tuesday.